When it comes to reliable cookware, few items can match the versatility, durability, and performance of this Mueller DuraClad Tri-Ply stainless steel 8-inch fry pan with lid. Whether you're looking to make the perfect eggs, sear a steak, or sauté vegetables, this frying pan is designed to meet all your cooking needs and more. It combines practical elegance with innovative features, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. Key features and benefits. Tri-ply stainless steel construction. The 3-layer base includes a thick aluminum core sandwiched between stainless steel layers, ensuring even heat distribution and fast heat absorption. This means your meals will cook faster, saving you time in the kitchen. Energy-efficient cooking. Due to its excellent heat conductivity, this pan requires only low to medium heat for non-stick-like performance. You'll be able to cook at lower temperatures, reducing energy consumption while maintaining great results. Ergonomic and ever-cool handle. The ergonomically designed handle stays cool to the touch, even when cooking on high heat. Its riveted construction provides added durability, so you can confidently maneuver the pan without fear of it breaking or slipping. Oven-safe and versatile. Whether you're using a gas, electric, ceramic, or induction cooktop, this frying pan is compatible with all stovetops. Plus, it's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Fahrenheit with lid, perfect for transitioning from stovetop to oven without having to switch pans. Self-basting lid. The tempered glass lid is designed to trap heat and moisture, allowing you to cook with less oil for healthier meals. The lid's steam vent ensures optimal cooking conditions while preventing spills and splatters. Durable and easy to clean. This pan is built to last, with a professional-grade stainless steel body and a lid that's 4 times stronger than standard glass lids. Cleanup is a breeze. Just hand wash or pop it in the dishwasher. Why choose the Mueller DuraClad fry pan? If you're tired of using low-quality frying pans that warp or create uneven cooking results, then the Mueller DuraClad Tri-Ply stainless steel fry pan is the upgrade your kitchen needs. Here's why it stands out. Faster cooking with even heat. The Tri-Ply construction distributes heat evenly across the cooking surface, reducing the likelihood of hot spots. Whether you're making delicate scrambled eggs or searing meat, this pan ensures uniform results every time. Energy efficient. With this pan, you won't need to crank up the heating gun. It's designed to use low to medium heat, helping you save on energy costs while still achieving excellent results. Durability and strength. The premium 3-ply base, combined with a tempered glass lid, provides maximum durability. This fry pan is built to last for years, even with daily use, making it a great long-term investment for your kitchen. Versatility for all cooks. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, the Mueller DuraClad fry pan is designed to meet all your needs. From breakfast to dinner, it's the perfect all-around pan. Healthy cooking with moisture locking. The self-basting lid locks in moisture and nutrients, resulting in healthier, more flavorful meals. It's perfect for cooking without excess oils, making your meals tastier and more nutritious. Perfect for a variety of cooking styles. This frying pan's versatility makes it the ideal choice for various cooking styles. Whether you're making a quick scrambled egg in the morning, searing a juicy steak for dinner, or cooking a flavorful stir-fry, this pan handles it all with ease. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the oven-safe design allows you to start cooking on the stovetop and then finish in the oven without changing cookware. Who should buy this pan? Home cooks. If you're looking for a pan that offers excellent cooking performance and durability, this frying pan is perfect for you. Professional chefs. With its high-quality materials and construction, the Mueller DuraClad Tri-Ply fry pan meets the demands of even the most experienced chefs. Busy families. Save time in the kitchen with a pan that distributes heat evenly, cooks food faster, and is easy to clean. It's ideal for busy parents who need quality cookware that performs well day after day. Mueller's commitment to quality. At Mueller, customer satisfaction is a top priority. If you're not completely happy with your DuraClad Tri-Ply fry pan, their 24/7 customer support is available to assist with any issues. Whether you have questions about care or usage, Mueller is dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction. Final thoughts. The Mueller DuraClad Tri-Ply stainless steel 8-inch fry pan with lid is a must-have for anyone who values quality, versatility, and performance in their cookware. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this fry pan can make your time in the kitchen easier and more enjoyable. Click the link below to see the full product specifications and get yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.